Hello and welcome to Learn English with Fun Classes everyone. Today in this video I'll show you a lot of students who are freshly joining of this new batch which we started approx almost at 10th April. They have taken almost 10 to 12 classes. Today by the help of this video, we'd like to show you that how they practice and how they improve their communication skills at our institute Learn English with Fun. It's not just to check whether they have learned speaking English or not, it's just to show them that how it happens or what happens exactly in your mind when you come in front of camera or when you come outside in the public and speaking in English. So that's what we are going to check by the end of this video. You are only requested to boost their confidence by commenting some good elements. Don't focus at the mistakes because they are new learners. Obviously they will commit some mistakes, right? By the end of this video we'll be having a lot of activities also. So you are only requested to have some patience and watch this video till the end. First of all, we have a powerful student of this batch, Chirag. Your time starts now. You introduce yourself, please.
Hello everyone, good evening to all. My name is Chirag Kumar Roy. I come from Madhubani, Bihar. I am a student of class 6th. My name is my school name is Dyaja Public School. My hobby is I am 11 years old. My hobby is playing cricket and reading books. My goal is to be a civil engineer. Thank you, that's all.
Thank you. Keep telling me. Thank you. चिराग, डर लग रहा था? Tell me very honestly, डर लग रहा था? डर लग रहा था ना? लग रहा था ना?
Yes.
This is a very common problem that we all have, right? In the starting, we all feel this fear, we all have this hesitation. But slowly, as you keep into this habit that coming in front of camera is becoming your habit, one day you'll improve, right? Day by day improvement is very important, right? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Be confident, you killed it right now. Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone. My name is Priyani and I am a student of class 7th at Dyaja Public School. I am 13 years old. I am from Behad, Jhanjharpur. My aim is to become an IAS officer. I believe in hard work and being kind to everyone. Thank you.
Very nice. It was short and sweet that I expected from you. Tell me honestly, did you feel fear? Did you have some hesitation when you were speaking? What was going in your mind? You felt,
डर लग रहा था।
डर लग रहा था ना? This is a very common thing that everybody has, right? Have you ever tried speaking English in front of the camera?
No sir.
You have never tried.
No, sir.
Anyways, what are your hobbies, Priyanshu?
Sir, reading books, badminton.
Reading books and playing badminton is your hobby. Alright, okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening to all. My name is Anushka. I am studying in class 6th at the Dyaja Public School, Jhanjharpur. I am 11 years old. I am from Behad, Jhanjharpur. My aim is to become a doctor and my hobby is reading, playing, etc. Thank you.
Very nice. Anshu, can I ask you to do an activity? Can I ask you to go and talk to a random person in English?
Yes.
Can you do this? Very nice. Come.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Chirag Kumar Roy. What is your name?
My name is Anushka. Where are you studying?
I am studying in 6th class. Where are you studying?
I am studying in 6th class, 6C.
What is your school name?
My school name is Dyaja Public School, Jhanjharpur, Behad. And what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject also math and science.
What is your hobbies?
My hobby is playing, reading and etc. What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket and reading books. What is your aim?
My aim is to become a doctor. And what is your aim?
My aim is to become a civil engineer.
Okay, thank you.
Say, nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you.
Thanks.
Okay,
It was a good conference that I observed from both the sides, right?
Hello everyone, good evening to all. My name is Anushka and I am a student of Dyaja Public School in Jhanjharpur. I am studying in class 8th grade. I am from Jhanjharpur. I'm from Jhanjharpur. My hobby is playing badminton. My aim is to become a doctor. I believe in kindness, honesty, and hard working. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Clap for her. She did really good. I mean, why do you want to become a doctor, Anushka?
Because I like to be sir इलाज को क्या
I like to treat people.
Yes, I like to treat peoples.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Come back. Take your seat. Like this.
Hi everyone, good evening to all. My name is Bhavna Kumari. I am a 16 years old. I am a student from 11th grade. It's plus 2 Parvati Lakshmi Kanya Uch Vidyalaya Jhanjharpur. My hobbies is playing kabaddi. My dream is a police officer.
Thank you. It was nice. It was nice that, but keep practicing, right? Keep practicing. Everything will be alright.
Good evening to all. Today I would like to talk about my introduction. My name is Dyaja. I am from Jhanjharpur, Post Office Chowk. I am a 8th grader of DAV Public School. I am 12 year old and my aim is to be a doctor.
Your name is Priyans, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you do, Priyans?
I am a student of class 7th.
You're a student of class 7. Who is your class teacher?
Deepak, sir.
Deepak sir. What does Deepak sir teach you?
Science.
He teaches you science.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Is science your favorite subject?
No, sir.
Science is not your favorite subject. What is your favorite subject?
Maths.
Huh?
Maths.
Maths. Do you know this girl?
Yes, sir.
Who is she?
She is Anshu.
She is Anshu. Do you know this boy?
Yes, sir.
Who is he?
He is Chirag Roy.
Do you know that girl?
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Anushka.
Do you know yourself?
Yes, sir.
Who are you?
I am Priyani.
Do you know me?
Yes, sir.
Who am I?
Santosh, sir.
Do you know this girl?
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Divya.
Very good. Do you know that man?
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
He is Prince.
He is Prince. Is he your classmate?
No, sir.
Then
He is my senior.
he is senior to you. Do you know that last girl?
Yes, sir.
Who is she?
Bhavna Didi.
She is Bhavna Devi. Alright. So what is your favorite subject, by the way? As a 7th grader, which subject you like to study the most?
Maths and sometimes science.
Maths and sometimes science. What are your plans for future? I mean, what do you want to be in your future?
I want to be an IAS officer.
Why an IAS officer? Why?
I don't know.
Your mother is a teacher, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't you want to be a teacher?
No, sir.
Why? Teaching is not a good job.
Yes, sir, it is a good job, but I asked my mom that I want to be a teacher. My mom, मेरी मम्मी मुझे डांटी है.
Your mummy scolded you
Yes, sir.
because you want to be a teacher. After watching this video, your mummy will not scold you. Why? Because becoming teacher, if you feel, if you like, if you enjoy teaching, you should be a teacher.
Yes, sir.
If you enjoy teaching, if you really love teaching, you should improve your skills of teaching, and then you must try to be a teacher. Is that clear? Alright, thank you. I know they would have made some few mistakes as well, but I believe that they will improve their speaking skills very soon. This is exactly happens when you come here or when you join any class for spoken English or for any other language. You have to face the same problems. But once you set your mind in such a way where you need to put a lot of efforts, and by putting efforts is the solution. Putting efforts is the solution only, right? You also keep putting your efforts from your side, keep observing such videos and important lessons on our channel. For this, keep subscribed it and tap on the bell icon. For this video, that's all. We'll see you very soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye-bye, take care.